Hello guys, welcome back to Rain World. This is part 4, and as always, let's go ahead and get right back into it. See what we can do this week, or today, this week. Thinking of the podcast. So, again, I don't know how long this game's going to take to get... I wonder what that is. What is he trying to show me there? It's a dark version of myself. Now, I'm looking for just new places we can go to. That's looking like a good spot. But I don't know how to make that. How to get over there. Have we been in this area? I don't know why I don't feel like we have. Oh, we have, I think. How do I get up there now? Here. I could probably go around. Oh, let's hurry up. Oh, it's going to be an interesting... Alright. We are much faster than he is, so we don't really have to worry. He's kind of goofy. Alright, so we're up here now. Let's get up. Cool. I don't know why those things are organized that way. He's telling us to go this way. What is that? No, fuck you. I have 2 now? Oh, now I'm just confused. I don't know if he's a real or not. He's so fake. They're trying to fuck with me. I don't like him. He's gonna kill me. Let's go up. Ooh, this looks important. Bitch, you better not grab me. I'm gonna be so mad. Stay away from me. I don't know if you're good or bad. Please, have mercy on my poor self. Oh, we're back here. We have another door to open. Now, how do we... Whoa. Am I dead? Elaborate mechanism there. It looks like we're making progress. It's cool. What is this? Industrial complex. We do have a new hibernation spot, which is awesome. Let's just head over that way for now. We're going to work on getting ourselves some food. I just want to see what it looks like, how close it is before we go messing around. It's right there. Cool. So we're not going to activate it right away. Of course, I wouldn't be able to survive. We need to go on the hunt for food now. Let's go up here. There's a bug. It's very vertical over here. I can't make any of this. Just fall down here. Keep scaling. Oh, I jumped right into the pole. There we go. Oh, yes. I have a bad feeling about this. Is that something? Alright, cool. Let's see. I did see the fly go up there. Just noped the fuck out as soon as he saw me. Let's get up here. The way you navigate is getting more and more Bitch. Very elaborate. Oh. Hey. Let me just do a super jump. What? I think that wasn't necessary. Let's go back up here. Or go up here, I guess. I see you. I will get you. Oh, cool. We found a oh, damn. Yanked him right out of the sky. Alright, you're free to go, actually. I don't need you. This is a good place. We have food now. Oh, I ate a bit of them. Don't feel good about that. Oh, just dropped his corpse. Here's this power again. And another hibernation. Let's see what this does. I can't eat it. Now the question is we're right by food. Should we just call it early? No, let's maximize our time here. I don't know how much we got left. It's a little dolphin slaps. Oh, let's go check to the right over here. Up. Oh, what the fuck? Oh! I was wondering why the music was playing. That freaked me out. Holy shit. Oh, God, that genuinely scared me. It's like, what was with the music? Oh, up. There we go. Get this rock to defend myself. Now I can go through here, but it drops me. I wish there was a way to grab it on the way through. Nope. Fuck out of here with that. No. The fruit. Come on. Can I just spam the button? No, it doesn't. He doesn't catch. No. Come on. It's like a new trap. No, come on. Really? I can't believe it. I can't believe it, guys. Holy shit. Come on. You're good, you're good. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Almost there, almost there. Come on. Climb. Climb, bud. Come on, come on. No, you can do it, you can do it. You're there, you're there. Oh, 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 holy shit, that was so close. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. That was so stressful. My heart almost fucking exploded there. No idea what these runes mean. Nothing, but we made it. Holy shit. That was close. Heart is racing. Give me that rock. Going back out. Whew. We're in cycle 5. I don't know if that's good or bad. go up. Hopefully we get away from that creepy dude, but are all the flies gone now? Oh, what the fuck? Can't get me down here, bitch. Oh, he might be able to, actually. How do I kill him? Oh, get fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. I'm not messing with you. I'm assuming there is no fighting here. Just gotta run. Oh, there's a stick. Can we kill him? We have grown so far. Moved from cat slug to god killer. Come here. Give you a nice little stick in the ass. Okay, that didn't work. Oh, nope, nope. What you gonna do with me? Go ahead. You gonna shake me around? Oh, okay. So that thing prevents me from falling back a cycle, I'm assuming? Cycle might just be the area, but that thing prevents me from losing I don't know. Yeah, it still says cycle 5. I don't know if the cycles change how the game is played or not. Oh, there's a blue guy. No, get out of here. I'm not messing with you and your bullshit. There's the flower. It did drop where I died. I wonder if that has anything to do with it. Come here. Can I eat you? I have no idea what that does. I'm so lost with that power up. If you guys know, let me know in the comments, because I have no clue what that's for. This is new. How do we get down there? Well, I know how to get down there, but... Wait. Oh, there's another one. What the fuck? Alright, well, 2 doesn't do anything. Let's go down some more. Ooh, what does that mean? You show me where a spear is. You need more food. Show it to me again. This way. Why would I need a spear? Do I have to open this door again? I waste a lot of time. Not used to these types of games, then having to not be able to kill anything. Definitely feels very Metroid-esque, Castlevania style. The way you move around the map. Just sucks again that you can't really... Let's go. Did we come from here? We did indeed. I think I just went up because it was purple. Shit. Another thing over there. Does he not know what to tell me to do? Is that why that thing pops up? Okay, here's here. Goes over there, that goes up there. There is food up there. Oh, that's close. Let's go get some food. Oh, come on. I'm pressing the stupid eat button to try and jump. There we go. A little bit difficult to scale here. There we go. There we go. Grab that. We devour and move on. I could eat one more thing in here. Now, I don't know if I hit them with something, will it help me out here? Yeah. Come here, bitch. Okay, cool. Now, onward. We continue to move on. That's all. This is new over here. Let's scale. See what we could uncover. I don't think I could. Yeah, I don't think I could make that grab. So let's keep going up. I saw you last time, Mr. Bug. Really don't want to deal with your shit. I don't know what you do, but I'd rather you not. I'd rather you not mess with me right now. There's two of you fucks. Whoa, what's that one do? It's got a fly in it. Just yanked him out of here. Wonderful. I'm gonna have to deal with that soon. That's why I have my rock, though. My trusty rock. It's gonna go right into his face. Now, which way are we going? I wanna go... Either way works, but we don't really need the food. But I don't know how close he will be to the entrance. Oh, no. Yeah, fuck, get the flies. Fuck me, right? Thank you. He's still after my ass, though. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Cool. Yeah, we haven't been here yet. Yep. Brand new area, cool. Now, I think down there is where we saw that thing last time. Let's make a charge jumped. Cool. What are these? I did not mean to eat that rock. Oh, shit. Ooh. Dude. Give me these. That was fucking awesome. Oh, no, 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 no. God damn it. Finally, when I find weapons, too. Now, will it keep me there? Yeah, it will. With the flower. I don't know what those being there do, so... They might make the day longer. I have no idea. Grab the rock. I guess we'll get back out of here. Son of a bitch. At least we know where to go now. We have to go all the way back out. All the way back out. So we gotta go down. Wait, where's the door? Why don't I see? Why is there nothing else on the map? Music's creepy. Not saying we haven't gone this way, but why do I feel like we have? It's messing with me. Up, up, up. Come on. There we go. Oh, we have not been this way. How did I miss this? Stupid. Let's go. I guess we'll keep going then. Although we did have stuff we found over there, but there's stuff everywhere, so we'll keep just looking. It's like an old, like, industrial conveyor belt. Let's go. I do want this fly. Come here, bitch. I think that killed him. What's this on the ground over here? It's blue and shiny. Come here. I like blue and shiny. don't know why I could eat those rocks. Oh, whoa. Blue and yellow, or white. I guess we'll hold them for now. I don't know what they do, though. Might belong to something. I don't want to throw them. I have a feeling they might be weapons as well. Let's head over here. I might need to take these somewhere. Do I need to get anything else? I do. Okay, hopefully those don't fall. Gonna block his way. Come on, dude. Give it up. Oh, no. Oh, come on. You know I want you. How did he not grab that? Come on. Oh. Whatever, fuck it. Let's grab our balls. Ooh, I'm trying to charge the jump here. Go down here. See what's over here. Cool. I have you there. Feeling I don't want to touch the floor here. I have a feeling these things are really important. I just don't know what they're for yet. Take them all the way the fuck over here and not you have to use them for anything. Oh, cool. You have fruit. Oh. Let's drop one. Eat. Cool. No. Where's my other? Yeah. Ooh. A new guy. I have a feeling the moment he sees me, I'm gonna be in big shit. He could scale the foreground? That's not fair. There is not. Ooh, excuse me. That was noisy. I'm surprised we survived that fall. I'm still gonna hold these. I'm gonna stick to them. I don't think I need him. Oh yeah, he is definitely coming after me. Do we have anything? We're running low on time here, about halfway through the day. We're gonna figure out where we gotta go. Oh, there's bugs over there. I hate bugs. Okay, I have to go through here because I fucked up. Let's get back out. Crunch my back. There we go. Keep her moving. I don't know if these are a threat to me. They look very much like a threat. Oh, get off of me, bitch. Oh, they make nasty noise. Fuck those things. I can't go this way. Just want to hope they don't hurt me. I have a feeling we're quickly approaching some type of boss fight. If there are boss fights in this game, I don't know. That thing definitely looked like one. We gotta go this way. Whoa. Did I glitch? What the fuck was that? What do I need these for? Why am I holding? I can't go that way. Shit. How do I get over those?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Cogs. Oh! Are you serious? God damn it. I didn't have the flower that time, so we went back, whatever. Now these lives, like if I lose too many, I don't know. I have no idea. Again, if you do know, let me know in the comments. I'm going to call that for for this episode. We did make a little bit more progress. I'm trying to gauge exactly what I still need to do. I don't know. Again, that did look like a boss fight, but I threw a stick right at his face. I don't know if that was not his weak point. I don't know. So, definitely looking forward to continuing the game, though. I hope you guys are enjoying the Let's Play. Again, let me know if you have any recommendations for the future after we finish this series, what you guys want to see going forward. Check out our podcast, also on the YouTube channel and on podcasting services. Thank you all for tuning in, and have a great day.